Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Comedy Design, and today I'm going to decorate my tarot planner for the month ahead. So this is a horizontal that I repurpose for my faith planner, and I know, I want to say this again, I know some of you do not do tarot and that's fine. Just take the idea behind the video. Just take the idea behind the video and then run with it. Because I'm going to do the Planner Stash Challenge for August. And one of them is to use holo. So I've got a blend, again, of the horizontal from Happy Planner and the Ritual Planner. The Ritual Planner is WRITUAL, and that is these pages. I've added the monthly, the new moon, the full moon, and there's another one, and the Virgo pages. So we're going to do that. That is what we're going to do today. And I'm going to share with you some tips on how to use holo. So beware, there's going to be some glare in this video as I use all the holographic stuff, because that stuff, man, I don't know why they choose to use, that is dead. They choose to do holographic stuff in a lot of the planner stickers. We're back. We are back. So that is what I'm going to do today. Oh, this has got a click. This has got a click. I just do this ahead of time. I don't think I need all of these pages. That seems a lot of pages there. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Nice. So I don't need all of those pages. So what I'm going to do is take that one and switch that out. That should be enough. Should be enough. If it's not, I can, oh, you know what, I'm just going to put those there. Just going to put those there, and then I can move them as and when I need to. Yeah, okay. So we're going to use holo, and the reason being, one, again, like I said, it's a Planner Stash Challenge, and two, I've got all of these suckers to use. Got all of these suckers that I need to use. So let us use said stickers. Let us use stickers. This is the Stargazer book by Happy Planner. I love these. So I'm going to save these for a different spread. The blue, that's what I was going to do. I was going to put the blue together with that. I've got another sheet there. That is blue. That is blue. Let's put that with the blue. That is holo. Got some holo on there. Okay, so that's the holo from this book. I do have 2 of these books. I do have 2. That is annoying. I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to do this because that is annoying me that they're trying to come off. Ugh. So if you're not sure what the holo is, it's the holographic stuff. Look at it. I mean, it's like rainbow. So it's different to the silver is what I will say. All right, so I think we're going to use these. Is that silver or holo? I think that is silver. That one is holo. Hang on, we're doing it again because I want to take those off there. So what I thought was I would just share some tips, and majorly it's one major tip on using holo. Oh, that went on the floor, and I've got to get that before the puppy gets it. Hang on, because even though my trash can is 6 inches away from my table, I still missed it. So what I thought was I was going to look for boxes. I looked in here. This is Essential Boxes from 2022. And wouldn't you know it, look at those. There was 4 pages. So my plan is to use these as well. My plan is to use these as well. And there was some in here. Look at those. I might use those too. But my priority is these. And more so for these. So this is all pen stuff. So what I'm thinking is, let's put this to one side. Where are these? These words. These words. These words. I think Stargazer, that just has to be that one. No, that has to go for full moon. Let's do full moon for Stargazer. I'm just feeling that. Just feeling that. And here is my major tip for holo. 1, get yourself a squisher and squish them down, because they look much better when they're squished. And this is just a Dollar Tree vinyl sticker squisher type thing. I don't even know what these are for, but I use them for squishing stickers down. But yeah, have something, and it could be a credit card or something like that. Just kind of squish them down so that they're flat. My second tip, and it's another Dollar Tree one, is get yourself some of this. Get yourself some of this. This is the vinyl. Comes on a roll. Again, it's $1.25. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it sheen and shine and shimmer and rainbow. And I've just cut it into strips, because that on its own looks kind of weird. It looks kind of weird. But if I take this page off, I've cut these into strips. I don't know if you can see that. Cut these into strips. And all, get that out of the way. All I'm going to do is lay this down here. And then it looks a little more anchored to the page, rather than just be a floating sticker that's hollow and just in the middle of nowhere. Now we have created an element on the page. Again, you're going to have to squish the stickers down because they just look weird with air bubbles in them. And, you know, they're hollow, so you've got no choice. They have air bubbles in them. And I'm going to continue that. I know that I'm upside down right now. That's fine. I'm going to continue that here. Oh, God damn it. Get off my fingers. And continue that here. And then what I think we'll put in, how can I have lost this under here? I'm going to put that there, get my slicey. Oh, actually, I might take it all the way across. Take it as much as the way across as I can, and we'll put them there. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Never mind. This does not like to move. See, if you don't squish them down, they look weird. You don't get the full effect of the rainbowy. And I gotta be honest, I don't really like these at all, but like holo is not my vibe. And these, as you can tell, what I did was I cut some of them out because it has the background on it. You know what, now that I've seen those, I want to use them. I think we're going to bring in these. This can be my date sticker for that day, and we will layer it with these. The holo stickers are more of a, I want to say more of a vinyl than a sticker. Than a sticker. You know what I'm saying? They're more of a vinyl than a sticker. Where's my squisher gone? But can we see how now it looks a little more... This just looks green. In the camera, this just looks green. It looks a little more... There's a word I'm looking for here. Balanced and less weird. It's just less weird just having one here. Now you've got that, and then it's carried on over here, and it's carried on over here, and I'm going to put it up here. So I'm going to get another 3 of those, and we'll use those as my days, and then I'll do the same on this page. That makes sense. So I'm going to get these. I'm going to use those too. Where did that one go? Is there one of the best days? Let's put these in too. Let's put those in too. I think I'm just going to cut that off. I don't like those bits. Does anybody else think that the speech bubbles are just weird? Speech bubbles are just weird. But I don't like the holo. But I'll tell you this, I love this Stargazer book. And I may end up loving this now that I've started, because I already kind of like this sticker. This may end up being one of those, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I love it kind of spreads. Let's put one of those in there. This is generally how I like to use this. Where's planner? I'm going to use one of these. If they would come off the page. Come on. That is that done. Squisher. This could be a drinking game, for how many times I say squisher in the same video. Again, it looks different now that it's squished. Love it. I love it. I'm going to take, see how that's dark? I'm going to put that in there. I'm like, where is my squisher? Okay, that's done. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Find Your Fire doesn't, oh, You Are Magic. Let's do You Are Magic. Find Your Fire just didn't seem right. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to book with what I've done so far and put it there. Just for something different so that it's not the same every time that I turn the page, because I don't like that. I've got two. Hang on. So don't be afraid. If you're going to go holo, go holo. Go all out. Like, go for it. Go for it. Big time. The end. Big time. Big time. It's worth overdoing the holo, if that's a word that I'm looking for. And this would be a great way to decorate for Yule, or even anytime. Especially with this sticker book. I freaking love this sticker book, which is a good job because I have two. So there's that. I like that quite a lot. I like that quite a lot. Again, I do kind of hop around. I hop around from page to page. I hop around from page to page. I might put this one at the top. I like, if I can take these out, that they make sense. I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to put this here. Squish. Okay. And then these are then optional inserts. That is what they are. Let's take these again. I need 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to do exactly the same thing and cut that nonsense off. Just give me circles. Also, not ovals. Give me circles. Give me circles or give me squares, rectangles. But this business is weird. This business is weird. And just so you know, I am currently doing this on the 31st of July. I am so far behind right now. So far behind. I'm digging one of these up here. I think some of these are purple, so I'm going to try and use the purple one. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me why. I am just going with it. I'm just going with it. Oh, no, don't stick. Let me get that underneath. Let me get that underneath. Let me get you underneath. So that is my big 2 top tips for using holo. 1, squish the stuff down. 2, use some vinyl, holographic vinyl again. $1.25, $1.25. Go with the flow. Oh, always see the good. And here's the thing: if you can't afford $1.25, you have some washi right there. Just cut it. Just cut it. Just cut it, friends. Just cut it. See the good. Always see the good. All right, so that is my 3 tips for using holo. Squish it down so that it's all on the page, because they do have a tendency to look weird if they're bubbly. 2, find some vinyl or washi or whatever, and if you can't find it like at Dollar Tree, you've got some here. I could have just cut right there and got a strip out of that there, but other washi tape would help as well. Even silver would help kind of ground it to the page. But if you're going to go for a holograph, then go for it. My 3rd tip is to look in other sticker books and see what else has holo in it, because this has 3 pages of holo. I'm going to use this in a different spread, but yeah. And then I've got these, and I'm sure that there's others, but these were just a couple that I knew had holo in off the top of my head. So yeah, and I'm probably going to use those. So yeah, those are some tips. I'm going to finish off decorating this, and I will be right back. All right, I have used, I think, all of the 5 sheets out of Stargazer. I have used the whole sheet of these out of the Boxer's book. I've used a bunch of the holo, and I've used the flag things out of here. I've used a bunch of holo. So I've got my monthly. That is how I've decorated. Again, it doesn't need a whole lot, but I just wanted to fill in this space. I'm going to, I think, either use black and or silver pen. Black and or silver. I think black for this, and then the rest of it, again, I could use black or silver. I've got options. Look at that. Rainbow. But yeah, I've used all of the little stars. I've used all of the moons out of that book. I have got another book, exactly the same. Again, I've just gone in, put a big statement sticker in, and then put a little bit of the holo. These I will use for the dates, and then I will letter the card that I draw and journal about it. Again, dates. Again, dates. Dates. And then I had a couple left over, and I've just put them in there. That should be the end of the month. I did move some things around because I wanted to use these big stickers and have them used. I've kind of only got 3 days on each page, so it kind of shoved everything back 2 days, which is perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. So yeah, I think I'm going to use black and silver pen, and then we'll go from there. But that is my tarot faith planner set up for the month of August. I hope this just shows you how easy it is to use the holo stickers. Again, it's not something that I like to do in my planners, but gotta use the stickers, and I have used 5 pages of the dang things. So I am super happy. Again, if you don't have the vinyl from Dollar Tree, cut this out. Use this to ground your stickers onto the page. It just makes it look part of the page rather than popping off the page. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, those are my tips. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.